Teodoro, the inclusion of the Vice Presidential Security Protection Group as a subunit of the Presidential Security Command, Armed Forces of the Philippines, has been approved. So there was a movement to put the Vice Presidential Security Group under the Presidential Security Group. So ibig sabihin, yung ginawa nila noong June 15, 2022, June 25, I mean, yung pagbibigay ng sariling Vice Presidential Security Group sa Vice President noong June 2022 was reversed by Gibo Teodoro in July of 2024. So according dito sa document na to, na pirmado ni Gibo, ang sinasabi dito was the inclusion of the Vice President and Protection Group as one of the subunits of the Presidential Security Group of the Armed Forces of the Philippines is approved. This is in conjunction with the reorganization of Presidential Security Group into the Presidential Security Command, AFP. This department circular shall take effect immediately. So what is the meaning of that? Ibig sabihin, the Office of the President can very well decide who's going to be assigned to the Vice President as a security personnel.